in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the treble crochet stitch. So before we get started, we are going to start to chain up 3 before we turn our work. 1, 2, and 3. And the reason we chain up 3 is to match up the height of the treble crochet. So let's go ahead and start our first stitch on this first stitch from the hook. So to do the treble crochet, you're going to yarn over your hook twice before inserting the hook. So you're going to do 1 and yarn over again. So you should have 1, 2, and 3 loops on your hook. You're now going to insert your hook through the loops, through that stitch, yarn over once, pull through, and now you are left with 4 loops on the hook. Now, treble crochet, meaning 3, we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops 3 times. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2 loops. And that is your treble crochet stitch. Happy crafting! Bye!